Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is letter T. Letter T. In this session, we will understand about letter T. T comes after S. S, T. This is capital T. This letter is capital T. This is small t. This is small t. T says T. T says T. T sounds T. T, T, tree. T says T as in tree. T, T, tree. Trees are very helpful for us, useful for us. T, T, trees. T, T, top. T, T, top. T, T, tiger. T, T, tiger. T, T, tomato. T, T, tomato. Tomato is a red color fruit. Tomato is a red color fruit. T, T, tomato. Now, let us understand how to write letter T. Capital T is very easy to make. You just have to use a standing line and a sleeping line. Let's see how. First, make a standing line from the top to the bottom, like this. Now, make a sleeping line on the top of it. Make a sleeping line on a top of it. This is your capital T. This is capital T. Now, let's start making small t. Again, first make a standing line from the top to the bottom. Yes, like this. Now, make a sleeping line in the middle top. Middle top में आपको sleeping line बनानी है like this. This is small t. This is small t. That's all students for today's concept of letter T. T, T.